This is why weight loss doesn't have to be hard. You just need the right tricks. Let's make it simple together. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1, drink more water. It keeps you hydrated, helps you feel full, and even boosts your energy. And if you add lemon, you get a little vitamin C and it makes boring water taste way better. Tip 2, ditch the sugary drinks. Soda, sweet fruit juice, energy drinks, these are sugar bombs. That extra sugar can sneakily add hundreds of calories a day and spike your cravings. Swap them for water or herbal tea, and your body will thank you. Tip 3, shrink your dinner plate. It sounds silly, but using a smaller plate means you naturally eat less, especially if you fill it with veggies. Your eyes and stomach both get tricked, and that means fewer calories without feeling deprived. Tip 4, add more protein to your meals. Protein keeps you full longer and helps you build muscle, which burns more calories, even when you're just chilling. And tip 5, get more sleep. When you're short on sleep, your body produces more hunger hormones, making it way harder to resist snacks. Aim for 7 to 8 hours and watch the cravings drop. Ready for more simple, smart tips? Hit the bell and subscribe for more videos just like this. You've got this.